Okay, this is now a case of vestibular schwannoma. We see the target. Again, we magnify it. Get a slightly better view. Okay. Now, this is not a particularly round shape. And so what we're going to wind up doing is, again, sliding, getting our windows centered. Make it easy for us to see in orthogonal views. And then we're going to select the isodrop tool. Select our beam. And we see the collimator is much too large. We're going to go ahead and go down to, I guess, a 14 again. Here we go. And center it up. That's actually looking not too bad. Here. We will go ahead and assign it a nominal weight of 5. There's the isodose distribution. We will again turn off the lower isodose shell so we can concentrate on the prescription isodose shell. And it looks fairly well centered. But we now have that portion that's actually just sticking out a little bit into the internal auditory canal. We go ahead and reselect the isodrop tool. Go to a smaller collimator. We don't need as much a collimator, a larger one. Place it at kind of the edge of where we think the target is. Give it a slightly lower weight. These are relatively close. We don't need quite as much radiation on this one. And we're going to change to the 70 and 35% isodose shells. Those are reasons we talked about before. Tell the balancing tool to go ahead and balance these out. And again, we will turn off the 35% isodose shell so you can see the prescription. Turn off a few other markers to clean up the view. And then we'll just walk up and down, this time the transaxial views, making sure that everything is totally covered.